Hello. In this video, we draw Bang Chan again. More precisely, him will be drawn by an artificial intelligence. And we, of course, will laugh and look at the mistakes. It was really hard. Are you ready to see the results? And many more failed attempts to create Bang Chan. It is this site that failed to create what I wanted. So I decided to try something else. Just look at this. It's perfect. Are you really going to leave before you finish watching it? Who says that's all? If I promised that we would try all the styles, then we will. We also have watercolor, oil, and pencil. What do you think of the result? Write in the comments. I have a couple more pictures in different styles as an example. I hope you had time to see everything. It was worth 2 hours of searching. It's worth confessing that it doesn't always work out so well. For example, and that's just what I thought was weird or funny. In fact, 80% of the results were like that. I hope you don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss other videos. I love everyone. Bye.